has the steering wheel in its mouth?
Just the steering wheel.
No, the steering wheel.
You put it back.